How to change Gemini settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize your Gemini experience directly from the app on your Android device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the side menu. From there, tap the gear icon at the bottom right of the side panel, then tap Settings at the bottom to open all your customization options. The first setting you'll see is Public Links. This controls how you share your chats and responses with others, so tap on it to manage your sharing preferences. Next up is Gemini Voice. Tap on this to change how Gemini sounds when it speaks, and pick whichever voice suits you best. After that, you'll find Caption Preferences. Tap on it and toggle captions on if you'd like text displayed alongside Gemini's voice responses. From here, you can also adjust the caption size and style to make it easier to read. Following this, you'll see the Screen Context option. Enabling this allows Gemini to analyze text currently shown on your screen to provide more relevant and accurate responses based on what you're looking at in the moment. Finally, there's the Lock Screen option. Turning this on lets you access and use Gemini directly from your lock screen without needing to unlock your phone first, which is handy for quick questions on the go. Keep in mind, some of these settings may vary slightly depending on which version of the Gemini app you're running, so if an option looks different, make sure your app is fully updated from the Play Store. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize